everyone, Gemma here, and I wanted to show you my 12 months of science calendar collaboration with Science on a Postcard and show you the experiment for January, and that is the crystal snowflakes. So I'm going to show you how you can make your own crystal snowflakes using these easy steps. Enjoy! Making your own crystal snowflakes at home. And remember, the experiment is only limited by your imagination. So go for it and try out lots of different ideas. You can check out my 12 months of science calendar collaboration with Science on a Postcard in the link down below and see all the other cool experiments for the rest of the year. Happy experimenting and have fun. Bye!